Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix Among Us sign-in error. So if you're not able to log in into your Among Us account, try to check your internet. Sometimes slow internet as well causes the problem, and connecting to a secure internet will fix it. The other thing is check if Among Us servers are live or not. Sometimes Among Us server goes into server maintenance, which causes the problem. To check if their servers are online or not, just check is Among Us down. Once you search for this, it's going to show you down detector. Click on it, and it's going to show you if it is down or not. It says Among Us indicates no problem, which means there is no server down issue. But if it showed Among Us is facing a problem, that means their servers are down, and the only thing you can do is wait until they're live again. And even if their servers are not down and you're still facing the issue, then I would suggest you to delete your Among Us app and re-download it again. Sometimes a simple bug causes the problem, so deleting and re-downloading the app will fix it, and it'll also update your Among Us at the same time. To do that, and your problem should be fixed. And if your problem is still not fixed, you might try to log in into your account into multiple devices at the same time. So if your Among Us account is already logged in on a device and a person is currently using that account, and if you're trying to log in into that same account from this device, it's not going to let you, because you cannot use the same account in multiple devices at the same time. So you need to keep that in mind as well. I hope you understand how you guys can fix Among Us sign-in error. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.